My name is Vishnu Sare. I am talking about the IT in tourism. Why need for IT in tourism? What about the IT? What affected by the IT in tourism? I've discussed about the advantages, disadvantages, and so on. I'm also discuss about my experience, knowledge, and so on. Let's start. Introduction. Information technology is one of the such field that is applied in service aspect of the today world. It can be side of the information technology in the researches of growth the today world is showing. It has also been observed that the application information technology is used in the field of the transportation sector. Basically, the technology of information technology are used terms of finding out of the requirement that is the changing guideline which can structure the tourism. Implement a different analysis approach has been addressed is the report or analysis that important of IT in the tourism sector. Researchers background. The project focus on the fact about the information technology that can be used the term of the during the beginning sector of the tourism industry. It has been observed that is the technology that have been used able to tourism industry in the term of replacing the expression about cure due human labor purpose with technology labor. It has also been observed that kind of practically human of cost that due to the hiring of labor. Review. Information technology in tourism sector. According to the researchers, 2018, information technology has become a necessary thing when it comes to the hospitality management and tourism sector. Even some researchers have said that implement IoT device in an important step when it comes of the safety and security part. Advantages and disadvantages of using IT in the tourism sector. Tourism is an important industry when it comes to global globalization and the something can be done with the help of information technology. Management recognition. There are several measures that are required to be taken in the field of the tourism industry in the term of recovered dark bag that have been in terms of being disability, it can be said that implement of human resource is also required to be encouraged along with the implement that of IT. Advantage of uses IT in tourism. Tourism is an important industry when it comes to the global regularization and that some of things can be done with the help of the information technology. Triangle audition can be selected of beginners analysis can be performed. Although this practically technology can be help of increasing the beginners of partners. It also reduces cost of increasing effective and help of improve the expensive of the customer and service. Disadvantages of uses IT in tourism sector. It also has some negative impact as the practical technology can be damaged small business with the help of the analysis process. It also one kind of damage thing can I need to be handled very practically. Government regulation are required when it comes to IT implement in the world tourism industry. It has cost in implementation, increasing traffic in media are the price of has needed are also increased. Hospitality and tourism service management. It the pattern of management in the hospitality and industry use tourism in part. The industry concerns cafe, resort, and customer organization business, service of hospitality and tourism, etc., food and beverage service, travel and tourism, and Relative management theory. Relative management theory is helpful organization of focusing communication and evaluation. There are some important theory are content theory, scientific theory, management theory, system theory, theory X and Y, human resource theory. How it affected tourism in IT. IT plays a priority role in tourism industry for that list decided. IT reduces the cost and improving communication skill. It increases the technology labor and reduce human labor. There are some way to improve the hospitality and tourism industry, computer, mobile, internet, and marketing as well. And the lastly, it can be said that the project has led one of the basic benefit factors that can be observed by implement information technology into the hospital and travel tourism industry. During the profit has been observed that is supplying information technology in the travel and tourism industry can be benefit factor in terms of growing the business in world today. Future enhance can be done by implement more information analysis technology and enhance the tourism industry. There are reference we can search here, and we need for a lot of information about here about the why need for IT in tourism sector. Lot of things here. Thank you for today.